What if your child could qualify for the Canadian citizenship? Yes, even if your entire family has never lived inside Canada. Could one legal change create new opportunities for the Indian families living abroad? Well, Canada's latest citizenship law is now attracting the global attention, and for many Indian origin families, it could open doors that they never really expected. A new Canadian law is creating fresh opportunities for the families, and many are now rushing to find it out whether they are eligible or not. Since the Bill C-3 became law on December 15, 2025, millions of Americans are now qualifying for the Canadian citizenship by descent. This means, well, not only Americans, this actually means that the change has led to a sharp increase in applications for the Canadian citizenship certificates, even from the people who have never immediate plans to live in Canada. Now, many parents are now applying for just for themselves, well, not really, but for their children as well. If a child qualifies through a Canadian parent or an ancestor, they can become a Canadian citizen and enjoy several long-term benefits. One of the biggest advantages is education. Canadian citizens pay much lower tuition fee than the international students there. In many cases, the difference is around 34,000 Canadian dollars per year. Over a 4-year university degree, families could save well around 1,30,000 Canadian dollars, well, which is compared to the international tuition fee. But that's only one part of the story. Canadian citizens have right to live, to work, and to study anywhere in Canada without needing a work permit or even an employer sponsorship. They may also qualify for the public health and after meeting a provincial residency requirements. Unlike the United States, Canada taxes people based on the residency, not on the citizenship, meaning simply holding a Canadian citizenship does not automatically create a Canadian income tax obligation. And the opportunities do not stop at the Canada's border. Young Canadian citizens can also apply through the International Experience Canada program, which allows the eligible citizens to work and travel more than 35 partner countries. A Canadian passport also provides a visa-free or easier travel to more than destinations in US, well, with the US passport, making it an attractive option for the families planning their future. Well, there is an important point also. Children who become Canadian citizens today may also be able to pass the citizenship to the next generation. Although, certain residency rules apply for the children born outside Canada to parents who were they also born abroad. Now, immigration experts say that many families were now applying to secure these options while organizing their documents to providing their family and their connection to the Canada, and well, this serves as a bigger message. For many families, this is not a simple, about getting another passport. It is more about creating more educational opportunities, expanding career choices, and giving future generations a greater flexibility in an uncertain world. So, Canada is inviting. As more people discover that they may already qualify, the interest in the Canadian citizenship by descent is already needs to continue growing months ahead. What is your thought on this? Make sure to comment down below.